Hi, this is Herb Strather with Herb Strather Live Detroit Talk Radio, CEO of Strather Academy. And I would like to reach out to a very special group of people, our police officers and our fire members of the fire department who put their lives at risk helping us, defending us, putting out fires. You know, I appreciate very much for what you're doing, and there's opportunity in Detroit that you should be involved in, and that is real estate. Your pension, I know you get it, but is it really enough to take care of you and your family in the manner that you should be? You know, Detroiters can buy real estate from the Detroit Land Bank for 50%, but you can also take advantage of some tremendous lending programs that you can buy real estate, even without credit. You understand? And most of you may have credit, but some of you may have challenge credit. Well, we're here to help you. We have programs that reach out to you, and I can guarantee you, I don't care who you are, if you are a police officer or a fireman, we can help you and we can see to it that you can buy real estate for investment purposes, to shore up your retirement, or maybe even in some cases, I know police officers and fire officials who have became real estate investors. You can do both. You can protect us, and at the same time, you can accrue benefits by buying real estate for your family, and which also improves the community. So I would like to extend an invitation to you on Thursday, 6 to 8 o'clock on the 15th, Thursday, February the 15th. You are my guest, and I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for what you do for us every day. I'll see you Thursday.